Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the first impressions of my new makeup I just bought. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and let's jump right on in. So today we are going to first just go in with Smashbox primer water. I've already used this, but it is my favorite. So we're just going to spritz them on the face. So today we're going to be going in with the Cover FX cream foundation. I am the shade N10. Looks like this. And we're going to take that on my Morphe M439 brush. A full coverage type of situation going on, okay? Like, whew. So let's just blend this into the skin. And we'll see how this goes. I can't judge it just yet. Then go in with my Ride or Die NARS concealer. I know it's not a new product, but I didn't buy a new concealer because I'm very picky on my concealers. So I don't really try new ones. This one, I need a lighter shade. Oh, you guys, like this one just kind of blends with my skin. So we're gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape after this, and we're gonna lighten this up a little bit because it's too dark, I feel. This shade Fair, because I'm a pale ass bitch. Even in the summer, you guys, I'm pale as hell, but whatever. There we go. That's way better. We're just gonna blend that out. Then we're gonna go in with Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. Yes, I know, you guys, this has been out for a good minute, but every time I went to go pick it up, it was always sold out. Like, for real. Online at Sephora, sold out. Oh, and I'm going in with the light shade, and we're just gonna roll with it. I feel like the banana shade is just too dark for my skin tone, but we're just gonna set all this into place, especially the eyes. We're gonna use the Jaclyn Hill palette. Mine, as you can see, is used and abused, but you know, we're just gonna go with it. We're first gonna go in with this shade right here. We're gonna take that on a big old fluffy brush. I'm using the Morphe M518. It's the M518, y'all. We're gonna put this into the crease. This, you guys, is a great transition shade. You hear her? She is crazy. She's going crazy down there. I don't know what her problem is, but she's fine. She is with my family downstairs. So she's good. We're gonna go in with this orange shade. I feel like this shade, you guys, you can't go wrong. I know it looks scary in the pan. Most people run from oranges. I know, because I'm one of those people. I used to run. Especially in high school when I used to do my makeup. I used to run from oranges. I was like, not today, y'all, but go with this shade. This greeny teal shade. Okay, we're gonna take that on an R37. Just gonna dab it all around in the pan. Okay, here we go. Okay, y'all, let's get this popping. Ooh, this looks so nice. It does. Okay, you guys, I don't really know if I have the eye color to pull off blues, but I mean, I think I do. So we're just gonna go from in inner corner to outer corner with this color. We're gonna take this shade, obviously. This blue shade right here. And we're gonna put that on the lid. Sorry, I gotta find my Fix Plus. We're gonna take some random flat brush. Looks like this. Guys, these don't even have a name. My mom, I think, got them from like the drugstore when I was a teenager, and I just have never gotten rid of them. So we're gonna spray the brush. We're gonna dip into the blue shade like that. We're gonna put this all over the lid. Ooh, girl. Y'all, I'm living for this color, okay? Okay, guys. So I'm then gonna mix those two transition shades I went in with. I'm just gonna buff out those harsh lines. So just buff, buff, buff. Yo, my kid is going crazy downstairs. She must be mad at something. Okay, so you know what? We're going with this dark green shade. Not a lot though. So we're just gonna put that. Oh. We're gonna put this right on the outer V. Just like that. Give it some dimension, use a couple more colors. Oh, guys, I'm liking. Okay, now that that's done, we're going with the green shade again. Do the other eyeball. Yeah, no. Morphe one, because this just recently came out. We're gonna test it. We're gonna see if it leaves little dots all over my face. So, comes with this clear, like, wrap on it. Which I don't know if I like this, because I have nails. I have nails, y'all, like. And trying to get these off is a bitch. We're gonna use my teeth. Okay, guys. So I'm back. I popped on some lashes in, they are the Lilly lashes in the style Luxe. These are my favorite lashes. I just ordered a new pair. I was really hoping the rest of them that I ordered were gonna be in, but they aren't. So this is what they look like. I just love how they're longer on the ends and shorter on the inside. So now that that's done, we are gonna bronze the face. I also don't have a new bronzer. I just have all the old ones I use. So we're gonna go with the Hoola one by Benefit. We're gonna take my tried and true bronzer brush, the Morphe M527, swirl it around. And bronze the face. Okay, so now my brows are all filled in. I'm going to set them with Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Because my brows like to move out of their place. So we're going to take this one, the Royal one. We're going to take it on a Morphe M432. We're going to put that on the lower lashes. Okay. So that's what you guys should have right now. This is the Morphe E17. I'm going to go in with that transition shade. Not the transition shade, I'm sorry. That turquoisey blue we have. I'm going to put that right on top. My Makeup Geek small crease brush. That's what it's called, but it's like a pencil brush. So I'm going to take the second highlighting shade in the palette, this one right here. I'm going to put that in my inner corner. Just like that. I'm also going to put that on my brow bone for a highlight. I'm just going to coat my lashes, and I'm going to take the Shock mascara by YSL. I'm just going to coat the lower lashes real quick. It's this one right here. Ooh, looks like this. Isn't that gorgeous, you guys? Like, ugh, can't get over it. These blushes are so beautiful. I'm going to take my Morphe E4. Just kind of dip it in. Tap off the excess, you guys. You know the drill. Just put that on the face. Okay. Gorgeous. Love it. I'm now going to take the star of the show, the Jeffree Star Cosmetics MUA highlighter. I did swatch this yesterday though, so it is kind of messy. This is what it looks like. It's Uranus. I got the Uranus one. It's my brush with some X Fix Plus. Okay. We're gonna swirl right on in. This does have a little bit of fallout, which I was kind of surprised, but okay. Yo, you guys, you see this highlight? Oh my god. That is with Fix Plus. Oh my Lanta. Okay. Okay. We're gonna go in with a different highlighter brush. We're gonna go in with the Morphe M501. Dry. Okay? Dry. See how this looks. Yo, you guys, you see this highlight? I was like skeptical on getting this highlighter because everyone was saying it was chunky and it was just bad, and I was like, girl, no, it's not chunky, it's not drying. We're going back in with one Fix Plus on it. Oh my lord, y'all, I am talking to the outer space with this shit. Oh. Yo. Okay. Contain yourself. Contain yourself. Okay. We're gonna go with the dry one. Put this on the nose. Put this on the Cupid's bow. And on the chin. Y'all, this is not chunky. Do not sit on getting this highlighter. Buy it. It's an always on Smashbox liquid lip. All the beauty gurus were talking about it, so I had to buy it. I bought 5 different shades, you guys. The Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist. I want a very dewy look today because I'm going for that mermaid type of look right now, so just spritz it on the face. Alright guys, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had so much fun creating this look, you guys. Like, look at that highlight. I'm obsessed. Oh my god. Yes, I'm still obsessed. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of first impressions. Hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye guys.